Okay, do it.
Stop. I'll delete it. So I don't care.
You'll be glad that I got this on video. You dirty little hamster. That's why the rug is so dirty. Cause everyone has been practicing their
I smell
shotguns.
beer now. Bubbles.
all the guys will be all over you because you're smelling of beer.
That one's not a video, is it?
Hey, Melanie. Now Laura has it from 2 other views.
Okay, go.
I have
1,
to catch
2.
my breath first.
Didn't you do it?
First, to your mouth. Bring it to your mouth.
I know how to do it.
Yeah, come on.
Shake
watched
it,
it,
shake
really.
it.
Don't spoil beer anymore.
You have to do this every day, at least once.
Almost done.
Yeah, and half of it is on the ground.
And on it. Turn it off.
Oh fuck! I'm not sure if I
Good.
filmed it.